quick side video. You can see here, there's some TP here. I have a hunk already here. I'm gonna go into this very light area. You see, just here. If I can just go over here and just rub it like this, you can see if we can get magical dust from it. Look. Wow. Up close at it. Wow. Very magical, too. I'm going to just go like this and rub it like this. Look. It almost looks like snowflakes as I rub the TP in my hand. You guys can see. Look at that. Rub it vigorously. It almost looks like a blizzard. Wow. Now it's that, I can see, there's a little bit of sun there. The sun is just right out there. There's Mr. Cutie out there, guys. And where the sun is, and you rub this, it looks almost like a little bit of a snow blizzard that you're producing by your hand with just this TP, like this. Vigorously, look up, I'll show ya. Wow. No, that is completely something. So tell me what you think of this, guys. Very magical, but yet very interesting and unique. Close up at it first. Wow. And that's how you get a little snow flurry to happen in your house with just your regular TP, as you can see just here. Wow. One more good one, and then we'll move on from here. And again, thank you for tuning in, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Ciao.